If you want to connect USB flash drive or USB storage to iPhone 17e, all you have to do is just simply connect it directly to the USB-C port that we have at the bottom of the phone. Now, if your USB flash drive is USB-A, just like mine, then in that case you will need an additional adapter that converts USB-A to USB-C. So with this end over here. And then you can actually connect it to your iPhone 17e. If your flash drive already is USB-C, then you don't need any adapter whatsoever. You can probably just connect it directly to the phone, and that's all you have to do. And that is pretty much it. Now, of course, if you want to access the storage, you should be able to go to the Files app, for example. And if we go to Browse, then over here we should be able to find our storage pretty easily and access all these files that we have on our USB flash drive. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.